So I'm going to be using that broken 1-2-3 combo for Ida during this update, as you guys probably see on most of YouTube channels. And just I swear somebody's sweating their balls off. Prepare yourself. What? What the fuck is he doing? This is jittering, bro. Okay. Yeah, I'm lagging, bro. What the hell? Ooh, that's his evasive right there. Clean gone. Ooh, I missed his like a charge, bro. I missed the combo too. What this? I don't understand this dude's game. He was just going crazy. Alright, I'll just say that. He was going crazy. Come on. Okay. Good punch. Oh, I'm dead. I should have canceled down so he wouldn't have got it. He's just going crazy. Oh my god, this game. This dude, bro, he's like, he's a different breed, bro. He just does shit, man. I don't understand his game plan at all. It's just to do this shit. Like, actually. That's his game plan. He's dead for it. Wow. Alright, man. So you're gonna hold me. Wow. Alright. I should have healed, but I didn't. People. Kind of. But it's whatever. Oh my god, 6K? Come off! Whatever. And he's cheated. Okay. Is it basic? I'm just poor about punishing him, man. What the fuck? Horrible internet. I was blocking. It's easy to mess up that feed. Just fucking kick him, bro. Just slide on him. Oh, what the fuck? He's right there. Like, why did I stop blocking? Am I stupid? I was behind him. Okay, that makes me angry. They both hate humanity. Like, for the way like they've been treated. I want him to be vanquished. Oh. Nope. What? Okay. Huh? What years ahead of this shit, bro? Oh my god, this dude has his hands on the oh my fuck. Ooh, it's always the Xbox users, bro. I swear to god, it's always the Xbox users. Beat this guy real quick. Huh? No, I'm out of here. I'm out of this bitch. He was not catching with that one. This game is. Wait, QTEs, please. I need to hit these QTEs, bro. I need to hit these QTEs. No! Oh, I missed. In. What? In. Okay. In. I had this last one. In. Oh, but this game fucking son. Ooh, I'm mad. Ooh, I'm angry. Console players thinking they're good just because you have a fucking free win button. We're not hitting each other, bro. We're not hitting each other at all. Good. Good for me. Yippee. Oh my god, the controller shit. The controller is crazy, bro. The controller. Bro, that has end lag. No, can't convince me I should have had it. Can't convince me Frostburst does not have end lag. But I swear to god, I've hit people. Yes.
Tiger.
God, I suck at punching. Oh. Cool. You know on the trick. Have these. Okay. That's invasive, bro. Which make we saw him on them party table course, whatever his name is. Oh, bro, I can't do anything after that, bro. He's so on that F key. I mean, the attack and F key at the same time. It's hard for me. This is that kind of read. Wow, buddy, I don't even know. Oh, it's okay. Man, I'm gonna lock in. I'm gonna use my inner Vertona, my inner rate sim. Can I think? Oh, no, this game tripping. Nope, you stupid whore. That sucks. I was blocking, bro. Let's have kills to mine. This is gonna be a clean sweep though. Let's just start moving like a bot now. Huh? Bro, this dude is such a passive player. Look at him. Like, look at this, bro. He's doing all this extra shit for what? Like, approach me. Approach me, please. He's dead. He's good. Drop. That one out. Enough of this stuff. You're gonna see a real ass boss battle, like a Dragon Ball fight. You've been warned. Yay! I'm actually having fun on the Battlegrounds game. I swear to God, bro. I swear to God, bro. I swear to God. But you got mad lucky. Nope. I'm gonna stain all over him too. No, I've had enough of this dude. He's getting blocked right after. Actually, no, I'm gonna stay to my marks. I'm gonna use this character. No, fuck that shit. Evasive. Silly stain, man. What? Oh my God. This is double fucking evasive. This dude just double evasive. On everything I know, this dude just double evasive. Cause I know he just fucking skips my combos for free like that. Bro, this dude is straight cheese, bro. Oh my Lord. This dude is holding the F key down, bro. I swear to God, bro. Every approach, every time, just holding the F key. Hey. Get real for that game. Fucking bitch. Take this shit to the fucking stomach. Take this shit to the fucking stomach. Yeah, it's your turn. Look at it. Dude is ass. Holy hell. Look at him. Tech abuser. Bro, I need to get my ultimate, bro. I swear, bro. This dude. Definition of sweat. The host must love this dude. Holy crap. I bet. No. Cause this dude be staying there holding the F key, bro. I swear to God, bro. No, I swear to God. I'm about to pull out another character. Guns. Once I kill him, he's blocked. No, he's actually blocked, bro. This dude is not good. I can smell the fucking sweat pouring from the screen. Dirty stain user. Who the hells must love you? Now you're getting packed up. Take this jump. You sweat, you dirty sweaty girl, you fucking twisted. Take face. You're not gonna be a fucking Libra player. Not on my watch, You're not being like take this shit to the face. Fuck you. Oh, he got sick. You're not hitting that shit at me. Okay. You got that one free. I bet. This is this one with that shit. You can do this one with that shit. I bet. I don't think I've ever seen this dude approach me. Like, not actually. I'm gonna run your hoe. Nah, fuck you. Take the bait. Ooh. Swear to God, bro. Bro, I'm not letting this nigga touch me. No! What the fuck? Nah, this dude fucking blocked. Holy shit, bro. So fucking close, bro. He's fucking playing passive, bro. This nigga's. Oh my God. I'm really locked the fuck and I'm about to beat this girl. I don't know who she is. I don't really care. But I'm angry as fuck after losing that last match. I swear to God, I'm gonna beat her ass so bad. Like, actually.